Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by checking compatibility and turning on both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This creates the link Android Auto needs. Next, make sure your car is awake and in park so the head unit will accept a new connection. Open the Android Auto app or go to Settings, right arrow Connected Devices, right arrow Wireless Projection to start pairing. Once done, the phone will scan for the car. Keep the phone near the head unit and accept any prompts that ask to allow contacts, notifications, or location access. When the car appears on your phone, tap its name to initiate the handshake and watch the car display for a matching PIN. If you see a PIN, confirm it on both devices so the secure pairing completes. After pairing, grant the requested permissions. Android Auto needs location and media access to function properly and contacts for voice calls. Make sure your phone's Wi-Fi remains enabled. Android Auto then shifts the data stream to Wi-Fi Direct for higher bandwidth and stable audio, so the interface loads cleanly. Once the Android Auto interface appears on your head unit, test a voice command and play audio to verify mic and media routing. Then enable Auto Connect or favorite the paired car in your phone's connected devices so future sessions are seamless. If the connection doesn't complete, try toggling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone, rebooting it, or unpairing and repairing the car. This clears stale caches and resolves most wireless negotiation errors. If problems persist, check the car firmware and phone OS updates next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.